Welcome to my home lab. In this new video we're going to install Yacht. Yacht is container management UI. See here the website. We go to documentation, installation, install Yacht. You see we're going to do it by Docker. I've also opened Media Vault, Docker Compose. Most of the code we're going to look here, and Docker Starter. I have also the GitHub code, and again some information, and we have Docker Hub, self-hosted Pro Yacht. Here a lot of information. We go to container, log in with admin, password, enter, and we are logged in. Tell local. First we look to containers. If you remember from previous videos, we have Nginx, container, the hello world from the first video, and the last video, glances. We go back to stacks and add a stack. Name, Yacht. Web editor, that's okay. And we put the code here. Copy it. Copy. And paste it here. Paste. You see, services, Yacht. You can choose whatever you want here. Container name, Yacht, also that you can change. Image, self-hosted Pro, Yacht. Network mode, bridge, restart unless stopped. You can also do here always, that depends on you. Ports, here we choose 8001, that's on our Fedora server. 8000 is inside the Docker container. This one you cannot change, this one you can change if you want. You see here, later we're gonna go to port 8001. Then we have two volumes. We have here on our Fedora server, home, really, Yacht config. Config is inside the Docker container. And we have the Docker sub back in most cases. Go down. That we don't need to now. Deploy stack. Go up and wait until everything is downloaded. Take some time. It's the first time, so we need to download the image. You see here, success. Stack successfully deployed. Now we open a new tab and we go to 192.168.126. That's the address of our Fedora server. 8001. And we have the login. We go back to the website and we see the first time we log in, that's the username and the password is pass. So copy that, go back, email, password, do you pass, login. And you see immediately the dashboard with Nginx, glances, container, and the new container Yacht. We have here some applications. So again, all the containers running with the ports created, the image, state running, templates we don't have, projects we don't have, resources again, the images, volumes, only one, container data, networks, bridge, host and none is for the moment not used. And settings. Here you can change the theme, some variables. Here you can remove unused images, networks, volumes, or containers, and update. But you see, we are at the latest. You can also go here, user, and change the password. You can change the email and change the password and confirm. So change that. Don't try this email because it don't exist. Change user info. It's changed. You see it here. Now we can log out and log in again. Voilà. Yacht is installed, is set up, and is working. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Also, can always ask me questions in the comments. Hope to see you later. Thank you very much.